How to make HMA PRO VPN work with your router. Router FAQ, what are the benefits of using a router with HMA VPN? All devices with Wi-Fi/Ethernet capabilities can benefit from the VPN connection regardless of their operating system. In other words, you can connect pretty much any device to your router and have it protected by the VPN connection also. How many devices can I connect to my router? That's just it, you can connect as many devices as you'd like, all from one single VPN account. What are the benefits of buying a pre-configured HMA flash router? The greatest benefit is that you are unlocking the full potential of the router without the risk of breaking/damaging it, and that all that you need to do is enter your username, password, and the desired VPN domain name to make it work. What if I already have a router of my own and need flashing and HMA VPN setup support? Flash routers offer support coverage on over 45 popular router models. If your router is listed on their VPN support plan page, then you can purchase full router support that includes a one-on-one remote support session to guide you through the flashing process and configure your HMA VPN connection. How do I find out the exact brand and model of my router? The router's brand and model is always written on the box the router came in, as well as on the router itself. Usually, you can find it on the sticker on the back of your router. If I have two routers, how can I connect them? By connecting two routers, you can easily switch between a regular internet connection and a VPN connection. Check out our setup instructions, how to connect two routers.